Hello YouTube. I'm gonna show you how to set up how I set up my Christmas lights for 2020. I'll do a full tutorial in another video on how I set this complete thing up. But anyway, let's get started. Now these house the bases, those are the poles, that's the string I'm gonna be using, the extension cord, and then the Mr. Christmas and all the lights are inside there. That also houses the front tree lights. And that's about it in that box, I would believe. But we just need the Mr. Christmas and the control boxes. Let's go and go over here. The tree poles, I stored them completely wrong, and you can see they have little tiny kinks in them, but I'm not too worried about that. I mean, yes, it is a problem, but honestly, once it goes outside, I think they will be good. Like, no one's really gonna notice it. We have, this is for things like the large tree and all that. And this box right here, is broken. I'll show you that. Is broken because of the poles, but it houses the bases of the tree, or of the trees. There's the extension cords. I have a couple extension cords. I'm only going to use one. There's the Mr. Christmas is inside this box right here. I'll put it over and show you that. You can see there's the Mr. Christmas and all the other lights. So let's get started. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to assemble the bases. That's really what you want to do with all your light shows. Is you kind of want to just assemble the bases first. Let's go ahead and take them out of the box. This one actually has a double flap, so I need to go over there. Do the other side. Well, nope, I can actually just lift it right up. I'm going to set the cover to the side. I'm going to show you what's inside of here. This goes to my large tree. Oh, this is not part of the trees. That's an extension. But here is from the large tree where the Mr. Christmas is going to sit. These are for the small and medium trees. This is for my large tree. And here's another base for the small and medium tree. And we'll get this box out of the way. I'll show you how to assemble them. Right here, you're going to take your tree base. Let me point it down a little bit more. You're going to take your tree base and fix all the T's to where they're nice and level. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take I cut this one to make a T out of it. What we're going to do is we're going to take one of our poles to the bottom. It's this one, my shortest pole. And we're going to simply connect it to the T's on the bottom. See if that's good enough. That's it. I would say about good enough. It's of course going to be warped, but you know what? That's fine by me. Doesn't really matter to me. I'll show you how to assemble the large tree, and then I'll do the other one off camera. Now the way I assemble my large tree is I take it just like the medium tree, and I will make sure all my T's are nice and straight. My center pole is nice and straight. Sorry if it's going off frame for just a minute. And then I will take my Mr. Christmas light show base right here. slide it right down here. Take my cheese, connect it. That's actually what forms it. It slides open. And that's it for the large tree. Oh, let me adjust that a little more. That's it for the large tree. So now I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to do the other pole, and then we'll get to installing the lights. Next, let's go and get the lights out of the box. I already quickly went ahead and put the tree poles together. And I'll show you that too. You're going to see it when I put it together. It's a little bit dusty because I had this in the box for a while, actually. We're going to take it out of the box. Take this too. That's for the large tree. This is for the large tree as well. And now one of these are for the small tree, and one of these is for the medium tree. I don't know which one unless I open up the control box on the side. Alright, one I just pulled out is for the small tree, which is right by the door. You'll see what I'm talking about in just a minute. This is for the medium tree. That's all I need. So we're just going to go ahead and take all the boxes, and we're going to take that, put it on the floor. Alright, we gotta determine which one is channel 1, which one is channel 6. So to do that, we gotta plug in the Mr. Christmas. Okay, we gotta go plug in the Mr. Christmas. Now, I have an outlet right here. I can simply plug it right into it. I have an outlet right here. We're just going to plug into Mr. Christmas. Turn it on. Alright, so this is channel 6, I know that. Channel 5 is right here. This is channel 4. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Got it. Oh, sorry, didn't see that. This is channel 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Or whoops, I have a flip. So I'm gonna get it underneath the large tree base, and you'll see what that looks like. I'll do a separate test video. I get that it's very messy, but I have the lights around the tree. I'll do these ones off camera, these second ones, or side units. But I'll show you exactly how to hang the lights. But putting them on the base is just about the same. You just have to put lights where you need them to go in their channels, and then hang them over the tree. I'll show you exactly how I do it when I'm done finishing them. I'm going to get these set up, and then I'll show you the finished product. I know it's a very quick one. It was not really a tutorial. It was just more how I set it up. So, oh, and the trees, the side trees, they plug into that base back there that I made. And that's it. So let me go ahead and get these trees finished, and I'll show you the finished product. There it is. There's the large tree. I'm going to do a full review on these lights. I'm just showing you how I set them up, and then there'll be a full review and like some kind of setup process. I'll put everything for the pipe measurements in the description, the box measurement in the description. Well, you can build your own box if you're going to use another lightshow controller. But here it is. This is a 7-foot tree. This right here is the 5-foot, and over there's the 4-foot. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and set up the other two, and I'll show you once that's done. As you know, they all work. There's gonna be a separate review. That's why I set them up. There's just a burned out bulb there. But there'll be a separate review on these trees. Let's go and set it on night show mode. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, like the video. There'll be a separate review on these light show trees. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.